spiritual leader Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev on Sunday underwent an emergency brain surgery at Apollo Hospital in Delhi due to internal bleeding. The surgery, performed by a team of expert doctors, was successful in relieving the bleeding in his skull. According to medical professionals, the 66-year-old has showed steady progress after the operation and has now been weaned off the ventilator. But what exactly is this condition? And when should one see a doctor? Allow us to explain. Brain bleed or brain hemorrhage is a kind of stroke that happens when blood gathers between your brain and skull, cutting off the oxygen to your brain. This bleeding can result from the rupture of blood vessels in the brain or from trauma to the head. It hence requires prompt medical attention for the best chance of recovery, as the brain cells start to die within a few minutes without enough oxygen. The brain is protected by 3 layers of membranes between the bony skull and the brain tissue. These membranes, the dura mater, arachnoid, and pia mater, serve to protect and shield your brain. Bleeding can happen anywhere among these layers. Hypertension is a common underlying cause of brain bleed, as it can weaken the walls of blood vessels in the brain, making them prone to rupture. Sudden tingling, paralysis on one side of the body, vomiting, dizziness, slurred speech, fatigue, vision changes, stiff neck, sensitivity to light, difficulty breathing, abnormal heart rate, and loss of consciousness are some of the common symptoms of bleeding in the brain. Sadhguru had been suffering from headaches for the past 4 weeks, which is usually the first noticeable symptom of brain bleed, according to the Cleveland Clinic. As far as the treatment is concerned, along with the ongoing medications to control bleeding and reduce swelling, a surgery to repair the blood vessels or remove the blood clot can be done. Oxygen therapy using a ventilator is done to prevent complications. We hope Sadhguru gets well super soon. Do share your wishes for Sadhguru in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for everything health and lifestyle.